I speak Mandarin Chinese, English, Thai, a little bit of Japanese.
さんはどこに中国語を勉強しましたか?
And I just started learning Spanish 2 weeks ago. I started learning English since I was 10 in primary school. And I didn't really learn Thai because I just came here, I talked to the locals, and I dated Thai guys. That's how I learned Thai. I actually tried to learn Japanese 5 years ago by myself, but I stopped after 1 month. So this is actually the second time I tried to learn a language from scratch all by myself. And I think I have done an okay job within 2 weeks.
Ellos son native speakers de español, all of them.
¿Tú hablas mandarín, inglés, español?
Un poco.
Okay. ¿Y qué más? ¿Francés?
No, Thai.
¿Thai? Ah, ¿hablas Thai?
Japonés, un poco.
¿Hablas japonés? ¡Wow!
¿Hablas japonés?
No.
¿En qué trabajo?
Yo no trabajo.
¿Bebé en Thailand?
Solamente en invierno.
Invierno.
Sí, solamente 7 o 8 meses de frío en Europa.
Frío.
Vengo a Tailandia que hace buen calor.
Hace calor
Todos los días. El resto del año yo vivo en España. En verano me voy 4 o 5 meses a España a tomar el sol a España. ¿Cómo se llama tu canal de YouTube?
ShuoshuoChinese.
Qué difícil. ¿En tu canal de YouTube hablas inglés o hablas chino?
Yo hablo inglés, doy clases de chino.
En inglés y
Sí, sí.
voy a buscar, voy a mirar.
If you quieres aprender chino, subscribe.
Sí, bueno, hecho ya, pero sí.
I've been a language teacher for 9 years. But this time, I get to see the process of learning a language from a student's perspective. And I have a terrific discovery. And because of this discovery, I'm confident to say that I can learn any language in a very short time. I promise you it is not a clickbait. Let me go straight to the point. How to learn any language in the most effective way. Step 1. Start from a language learning app or anything that is fun enough to keep you motivated. I know this video is sponsored by Rosetta Stone, but I promise you the 3 steps I'm going to describe in this video can really work. I started straight away with a textbook when I was learning Japanese, and as a language enthusiast myself, I felt bored learning this way. This time, I spent 1 to 2 hours every day on learning Spanish with Rosetta Stone, and I was so motivated every day through the immersive learning process. Every new lesson is always exciting, but with Rosetta Stone, the reviewing part and the exercises become interesting too. There were so many times when I was swiping my phone aimlessly, and then I was like, why don't I use this time to learn Spanish? And then it's just so easy for me to switch from Facebook, Weibo, WeChat to Rosetta Stone. And also because of the learning process, it's fun. I actually can learn much faster with Rosetta Stone than with the textbook. I tried Rosetta Stone by myself for 1 month, and I really liked it. And you can see that it worked well on me. So if you're looking for a great way to start learning Mandarin Chinese or any other languages, I definitely recommend Rosetta Stone to you. And Rosetta Stone has launched its 3-month subscription, which costs less than $12 per month. That's the best deal ever. After you finish the 20 units Rosetta Stone provides, you will reach the intermediate level. Then, use a textbook, systematically studying from the beginning. The pronunciation, the grammar, all the things that you already know how to say. Now you will know why you say it. And this time, you won't be bored by the textbook anymore because those contents are not new for you. You're just trying to find out the reason and the logic behind the things that you already know. Step 3. Find an online teacher. Actually, you can start doing this while you are using Rosetta Stone. However, listen, you don't learn with the teacher or follow their curriculum. You hire them because you want to practice what you have learned with them. The teacher's role is someone who you can practice speaking with.
let's review the agenda of today.
Okay.
First of all, I have some questions to ask you. So if I say I live and work in Bangkok, can I say yo vivo y trabajo en Bangkok?
Sí.
Okay. The second thing is I send you 2 pictures. You can ask me the words or the questions like you ask me in English.
¿Cómo se dice hen en español?
Mano, you can ask me some questions, like random questions related to that. ¿Por qué? Porque yo soy una abuela.
There were a few words that I couldn't remember during the learning process, but once I said them out loudly with my teacher, it just became much easier for me to remember. Many people say that language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. I totally agree with that. But I also think it is absolutely possible to reach an advanced level within a few months. Find an effective way and stick with it. And persistence is the key. If you only spend like 1 hour per week on learning language, I don't think any language learning apps or books can help you. Finally, I want to mention a common misunderstanding about Rosetta Stone. When I mentioned to my students that I'm doing this campaign with Rosetta Stone, some of my own students said, "Oh, I want to try Rosetta Stone for a long time, but it is expensive." Maybe it was expensive in the old days when you needed to buy a full set of CDs. But now, Rosetta Stone has an app, and it has launched the 3-month subscription, which only costs $12 per month. It's definitely a reasonable price. Consider how much you could learn within 3 months. If you love learning languages just like me, and you want to try different languages, you can click my unique link in the description box to get a big discount when purchasing Rosetta Stone's lifetime subscription, and you can get the lifetime access to all the languages they have. I put the link in the description. I really recommend you give it a try. So this is all the content of today's video. If you think what I said makes sense, definitely give Rosetta Stone a try. Also, feel free to share your opinions and experiences about language learning in the comments with me and everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. 再见。